Everybody fucking jump!
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. It's shoe time. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. Let's focus a little bit. This one reads the women's Nike Dunk High, multicolor, habanero, red and white. AKA, I believe it is the Nike Dunk wash denim, high wash denim. I apologize if I got that wrong, guys. Picked up this shoe the other day. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. I believe they have a whole wash denim line going on right now with dunks and blazers, and I think it was a couple pair of Air Maxes. Materials on this shoe for a dunk are pretty decent. I see a few stray stitches here and there, but overall everything I'm seeing on the shoes looks okay. The materials feel fine. Pretty much like an old pair of jeans. If you took a pair of jeans that you washed a whole bunch of times, that's pretty much what the material feels like. Give you guys a little bit of upper look. Nothing on the insole, just normal Nike dunk. All in all, I think this is a good dunk. I see big feet and little feet gang buying it, so they must be selling well. If it was Levi's branded, I believe it would have sold out a little bit more. I'll give you guys a little look. You see all the wash denim to the white leather Nike background to the red Nike swoosh. Not bad at all. Basically, like I said, these are known as the wash denim dunk highs. Alright, you guys know what time it is. Let me give you a look at the shoe, what it's going to look like on your foot. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!